we are making constitution, मेरा प्रॉब्लम मेन हीट एंड ड्राइनेस के जब हीट और ड्राइनेस के जब क्वेश्चंस होते हैं ना, उसमें which one is stronger, that is very difficult to understand many times.
Mhm. See, for heat, we have to see about fever, emotions, then thyroid, heart issues. So all these things we need to discuss. So
No, sometimes the answers are so diplomatic. Yes, it comes sometimes, but it doesn't come sometimes. And I don't laugh loudly before people. And at that moment, if I am thinking heat is on greater side, or sometimes dryness is greater side, but a lot of confusion arises between these two energies.
So for any history, if you have any doubt, please share the history in the group. Because without looking to the complete history, we cannot give you our opinion actually.
Acha. But
So
which energy is dominating, actually heat or the dryness? That is the main problem, because many times what happens now, as I asked, do you laugh loudly? So, no, as unit is coming.
see, that's
Okay,
a
sir.
see, we have to, when we are not getting the answer, then sometimes we have to look after the blood report, hemoglobin report, any other history of heart disease. So there is a lot of things which need to consider. Then only we can come to the conclusion. See, we have to think a lot for say 20 to 30% of cases in which we are not getting proper answers. Okay? So any
Yes,
case, if you are
sir.
not getting proper answer, please share the full history in the group.
Okay, sir.
And then we will discuss and then we will come to a conclusion.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
सर यंग एज में जो कॉन्स्टिपेशन आता है वो कौन से एज तक ले सकते हैं?
Young age means till 30 we can consider.
अच्छा, that is R plus.
R plus.
R dryness plus.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not R dryness plus. Li is plus. Whether it is in type 1, it is in dryness, and type 2, it will come under wind. So organ wise, see, we have to check organ wise and energy wise also. For UB function we check, Li function we check, liver
Yes.
function we check.
Yes.
So in that case, Li is excessive. Spastic constipation, that is called.
Okay, sir. 30 years, huh?
Yeah, 30 years we can think. Generally kids, but in the young say till the hotness age we can consider.
Yes, I got a girl yesterday, aged 18 years. बचपन से है, बीच में थोड़ा ठीक था, अभी वापस chronic constipation, यानी 2-3 दिन तक नहीं जाती है.
So this is, sometimes it is excessive. Then again we can check with another point whether they are getting relieved with laxatic or spicy food or not.
Yes, she is on laxative for the past few days. So there is a little improvement, but she doesn't want to continue with external medication. So she has started to joke.
Then you have to see the emotion, then correlate with the system, and then come to the final conclusion.
Yes.
Okay. So why this started suddenly, and any reason for this?
सर दिन के 3-4 कप ग्रीन टी पीती है. Could this be a reason?
See, we have to find out. Yeah, suddenly.
Find out.
Because constipation is sometimes neurological also, not only related with food. Why? Echo is coming. Huh?
Yes.
Sir.
So,
sir, people should be on the rest who are not asking questions. They should be on the mute mode.
Yeah. Sound is coming from somewhere else. Okay. So sometimes this constipation is not only because of the lifestyle, food and all. Sometimes it is neurological condition also, because this peristaltic movement is controlled by the neurological functioning of your lumbar and all, everything. And then the liver is also directly connected with your gut. So we have to find out how, why suddenly this problem started. So try to find out when, from how this problem started. Suddenly there can't be the constipation that is not going for 2 to 3 days for the bowel movement. So you have to find out the reason. Anyhow,
So,
if
but
you
some,
have, anyhow, if you
so
harmonize the,
sometimes, so sometimes green tea is a cause. One of my patient,
yes,
she also
sometimes,
did
yeah.
the same. Excess of green tea is a major cause of this.
Yes, it can be, it can be, it can be, it can be.
Because I suggested her to stop it for some days and observe if that is
Yes.
helping her.
So from the history, we have to check how long she is taking and all. Then we can come to the conclusion.
Okay, sir.
So for every patient, the root cause can be something different. So from the history, we can only understand.
Okay, sir.
So my question is, like, constipation
Just
means
now related number with the constipation. How is that connected?
See the innervation, then this it is actually neurological functioning. This peristaltic movement is controlled from the.
Again, echo is coming.
Yeah,
Somebody's
echo is
phone.
coming. Please mute yourself. Yes. So this movement is actually controlled by lumbar. And when, see, this I have discussed in the pathophysiology, that when the LI is filled up, then the sense of this, that it will go that the LI is filled, and then the sense will go for the peristaltic movement will start. So another, then the next signal will come and it will start the peristaltic movement. The nerve from the neuron, it will get the information that the peristaltic movement should start, and then when the peristaltic movement will reach to the final end, then again the symptoms will, the nervous impulse will come to open the rectal muscles, to open the rectum, and to for the passage of the stool. So this three neurological mechanism is related with this whole functioning of defecation, the process of defecation. So this defecation is not only dependent on your food, but actually it is dependent on your neurological conditioning also. So generally we feel that constipation is because of change in the food only, but no, not only food, there is change in the nervous system, say sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, imbalance in the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system can also cause the constipation.
So, cancer herniation, because this is a passage of the nerves. So, can herniation of this cause this problem?
Disc herniation, yes, it can be,
Because if this herniation, that person can have digestive related issues
Yeah.
like excessive acidity or maybe sometimes
Yes.
IBS symptoms.
Yes. See, the health of your spine, the nerves coming out of the spine controls the health of your organs. So the right posture, right spinal condition is very important for your healthy body.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.
if
So there
constipation,
is
can we look for
uh,
if LI is excess in the case of constipation, then in treatment generally we sedate the LI.
Yeah, our treatment, see, if you are doing from the bar magnet, Maiden Suzuki, then in that case, you need to sedate the large intestine meridian. If you are doing the branch treatment, then our treatment will start with sedation. This we discussed in 62.
Okay. But sir, like in jaundice, we say that liver is deficient.
Yes.
In jaundice.
Yes.
Then we increase the power of liver.
Yes.
But in constipation, does it not? The LI is in the weaker side.
No. Constipation can.
I have some doubt. Like,
I'm explaining this. The constipation can be because of excessive LI also and deficient LI also. See,
how do you differentiate?
I will telling you. See, this the peristaltic movement. Sometime in young age, they have tendency to hold the stool for a long time, and this is the cause of the constipation. So this is called excessive LI, means spasticity. The muscles, spasticity of muscles will increase. Spasticity of muscles will increase. So because of excessive energy, there is spasticity, and because of that, there is less peristaltic movement. Okay, and in sometime in old age, there is weak energy, weak muscular energy in the LI, and so because of less energy, there is less peristaltic movement. So that is
in that case, we will increase the power of LI.
Yeah.
Then we will not want sedate, na?
No. So based on that, we have to decide whether when we have to tonify and when we have to sedate.
Generalize that always LI is in the excessive condition, not.
No. It's not like that. It's not like that.
Okay, sir.
See, sometimes we will find that people who are taking laxative also, but still they are not getting results. Even after taking Dulcolax or too much of laxative, they are not getting any kind of result. Right?
They are used to a number of things.
Yes.
So it means LI is in that case deficient.
No, excessive. Nothing is working. In deficient state, this peristatic, laxatives will help to pass the stool.
So LI will be excessive. Then we sedate that.
Yes.
Then we need to sedate.
See, in SISK2, you will learn how to find. Right now, you have learned how to find the basic energy constitution. In SISK2, you will learn how to find the branch constitution. And after finding the branch constitution, we have to judge whether the organ is in excessive state or in deficient state. If organ is in excessive state, then our treatment will start with sedation. And if organ is in deficient state, our treatment will start with tonification.
Sir, can I advise one thing here, sir?
Yes.
Sir, while because we should advise the posture also, sir. While sitting in the Western commode, you should keep a stool under your legs.
Yes.
That is very important because they are having a movement, but when they are going to the washroom, they are not getting means. That is also very important. That is also play a big role.
Indian posture is important.
Yes. But nowadays, everybody using Western commodes, so better to use stools under their feet.
Yes.
And colon can open.
Yes. There will be less strain on the muscles of the.
Exactly.
And that it will pass the stool in a easy way.
Defecation will be very easy.
Defecation will be yes. Thank you, you are asking some question.
Yeah, there is another thing also. Emotionally, there is a connection. Like if someone cannot let go of things easily, so the person can develop constipation.
Yes. This is also very important thing. If you are holding your emotions, then if you are holding emotion, then you will have constipation.
So.
Yes. A very important point is it. Yes.
So can I?
Yes, Sadaji.
So if a person has lot of humidity in this stool, fragmented stool, and there is no time, it can come anytime. And frequency is 2-3 times in a day. What does it mean, sir? What is the situation?
It is dryness, excessive or heat deficiency constitution. Humidity is there, dryness is there, and coldness is there in the branch level.
It is not wind,
sir? If there is proper wind, heat and hotness, then they will not have constipation generally. Sometimes irregular timing we can consider as wind also. But wind is very important for the peristaltic movement. So if wind is good, then the peristaltic movement will be good. If heat is proper, then the blood supply will be proper. If hotness is perfect, then the neuro supply will be perfect. Then there will be no constipation, no problem with the LI functioning.
Since the humidity is more, wind can be deficient.
Deficient.
One more question.
Yes,
Sir, like for eczema, we take humidity generally is on the higher side. Then in psoriasis, what we will take?
Psoriasis is actually internal-external homoheteroaxis constitution.
Okay.
In psoriasis, there is dryness, there is scaling of tissues, there is wind, excess growth of the tissues, and there is expansion in the tissue level. Even if you remove the scales, then there will be a bleeding spot. So this is wind, hotness, and dryness is plus in psoriasis. Sometime in the basic constitution, sometime on the branch constitution also.
Okay, but which you explained once in the class, the homohetero, that will come in the. So, so then what is the difference, like in acne vulgaris and acne rosacea, these all are skin diseases, so the cause is different?
See, the energy is sometimes different. Energy is sometimes different. So it is heat manifestation sometimes, acute manifestation. Acne can be because of endocrine problem also. It's not always with please mute all of you. Please mute yourself if you are not speaking.
Recording
Sir, like as acne vulgaris we generally take under the lung, and acne rosacea we take under the heat. So does it this Sudok also, do we need to, or humidity, is there any role?
See, if you think from the branch level, then on the LI, you can do the branch treatment, heat sedation, humidity sedation, like that. You can do. Anyhow, for skin, we consider R dryness, not always LI, R dryness. Okay. If it is a structural type, then it is LI. If it is functional type, then it is UB. Okay. But from the physiological point of view and energy point of view, sometimes the health of a gut determines the health of your skin. Okay. And for acne and all the things, these are minor toxins are there in your body. For psoriasis, we can say the leaky gut. Toxins are coming out from your gut into the system. So it will try to come out of your system. So skin is again the elimination path. So brightness, it is lot of pores are there. So toxins try to come out of your skin. So for psoriasis, the root cause is in your LI gut. The leaky gut is the main problem for psoriasis.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, but psoriasis also is autoimmune disorder.
Yeah, it's autoimmune disorder. Leaky gut is directly connected with your immune system, actually.
Okay.
Sir, eating any time, what energy?
Sir, in case of leaky gut, we should tone SI or LI?
Sometimes SI and LI both are affected. Sometimes, if it is very generally initially it is LI, mainly LI.
Heat, hot, wind, heat, hotness, tonification of LI.
Actually, I will prefer triage in operation order, and based on the symptoms, sometimes we have to judge, because the leaky gut means sometimes there is hotness also and coldness also, because there is a leak from the passage, but it is actually coldness stage. Initially, it can be hotness also. So based on the symptom, we have to decide. So for this leaky gut, I will prefer the operation order in LI organ and LI meridian. With immune system, we have to involve the immune system also. So it is actually an autoimmune disorder.
One more question.
Excuse me, sir. Sir,
Yes,
eating any time is what energy?
Eating anytime, what quantity they are eating, that is the important thing.
Okay.
If they are eating a small amount of food, small quantity of food, that means it is humidity. And they are taking a good quantity of food every time, that means humidity.
Okay, sir.
Sir, patient's constitution, in patient's constitution, AHA dryness is plus, but she complains of IBS. So what will we take? LI is and structural constitution, type 1.
See, IBS is not only the problem of your large intestine. Sometimes it is the problem of whole gut. And sometimes if there is sometimes constipation, sometimes loose motion, like what is the symptom? Is it like that?
Both, yeah.
Both, yeah. So it is again this constipation, loose motion. This is problem of your autonomic nervous system. The sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system are not in harmony sometime.
Okay.
So for IBS, we have to check the cause. It's not only the problem of large intestine. Sometimes it is the weakness of whole digestive system.
Okay. I'm treating on digestive system also. Operation order on digestive system. So what else I can add?
You can add the neurological nervous system, operation order in the autonomic nervous system, or try to find the emotion, root cause, which emotion it is disturbing him.
So depression is there. Depression. Severe depression.
So sedate sadness, 25 gratitude, 25 joy, it will help him.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Sir, one question. हाँ सर, ट्राइजिन का क्वेश्चन है।
हाँ जी।
ट्राइजिन पे जो मुद्रा पर बोला है, How Trigen Mudra? How many time we stay? कितना टाइम तक हम करना है मिनिमम?
मिनिमम एक्चुअली मुद्रा आपने कोई भी ऑर्गन का बनाया आपने, जब आप मेडिटेट कर रहे हो, जस्ट मेडिटेट, जब स्माइल के साथ आप ब्रीथ के साथ जब मेडिटेट कर रहे हो तो अपने आप वो रिलीज हो जाता है. ओके, सो जब तक रिलीज हो रहा है, रिलीज होने दीजिए आप और अपना मेडिटेशन करते रहिए. कितनी भी देर
ऑर्गन पर सर, ओनली ऑर्गन पर मुद्रा कर सकता है?
ऑर्गन, मेरिडियन, चक्रा, इमोशन, एनीथिंग यू कैन मेक मुद्रा ऑफ एनीथिंग.
एवरी ट्राइजिन जॉइंट पर,
एनी ट्राइजिन जॉइंट, एनी ऑर्गन, एनी इमोशन, एनी चक्रा, एनी डायमंड.
ओके ओके. और सर जो न्यूरोलॉजिकल पेशेंट के बारे में बोला है उसके बारे में एडवाइस कीजिए. हम
एक्चुअली आप कॉल कर रहे थे, आई वाज इन क्लास.
ठीक है, आप बिजी है, हम समझ गए. बहुत बिजी है सर हम.
फ्राइडे मैं अभी बता देता हूँ उनको. एक्चुअली जो मेडिसिन दिया जा रहा है ना, दैट इज
मेडिसिन से पर डे में 2 टाइम लेता है, 2 टाइम लेता है. और मेडिसिन लेता है अप्रोक्सीमेटली 3 ईयर से.
Yes. इसलिए suddenly we cannot stop because there is the medicine for Parkinson. There is Syndopa is there, and there are few medicines and there is medicine for depression also.
Yes.
So आप अचानक से जब बंद करोगे तो उनको withdrawal symptoms आते हैं. आप अचानक से नहीं बंद कर सकते हो medicines. So slowly and gradually only we can reduce. And कितने दिन से आप ट्रीटमेंट कर रहे हो उनको?
हम 14 ट्रीटमेंट दे रहे हैं, 14 सिटिंग.
14 sitting means around 1 month आप ट्रीटमेंट कर रहे हो?
हाँ, right.
See, do around again 1 month, okay? And then we can start the reduction because he is taking from the last 3 months, ना? So Syndopa twice ले रहे हैं तो once देंगे पहले, ठीक है? तो इस तरह से हम लोग reduce करेंगे. So again आप 1 week 2 week के बाद आप मुझे बोलना, I will tell you how to reduce the medicine. I will.
Yeah. 2 वीक बाद आपके साथ बात करूंगा.
हाँ, आप व्हाट्सएप कर देना, मैं आपको बता दूंगा कैसे रिड्यूस करना.
ओके.
पार्किंसन?
नो, उनको क्या प्रॉब्लम? पेन है ना, ही इज हैविंग पेन.
न्यूरोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम. वो जो यूवी मेरिडियन है ना, उसमें जो पेन है और माने पेन हो रहा है. वो पेन का जब ट्रीटमेंट कर रहा है वो नीचे निकल जाता है, वो फूड में चला जाता है. मेडिसिन भी लेता है. जब ओनली 1 डे मेडिसिन स्टॉप कर देता है तब भी फिर से आ जाता है.
उनका एमआरआई और लंबर का कुछ रिपोर्ट है? एमआरआई का रिपोर्ट?
नहीं सर, एमआरआई का कोई रिपोर्ट नहीं है.
ओके, तो उन्होंने डॉक्टर ने डायरेक्ट मेडिसिन दे दिया?
डायरेक्ट मेडिसिन दे दिया. वो सर्वाइकल का एक्सरे किया है, सर्वाइकल स्पॉन्डिलोसिस बोला, लेकिन सर्वाइकल का ट्रीटमेंट किया है, कोई रिजल्ट नहीं मिला. सर्वाइकल जो नर्व है उसके साथ कनेक्ट कोई नहीं है जिस पर पेन होता है.
एक्चुअली क्या होता है ना, जब व्हेन दे आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी रिजल्ट्स, देन दे यूज्ड टू गिव दिस न्यूरोलॉजिकल मेडिसिंस, Syndopa and
Syndopa is very strong. Parkinson के लिए होती है जनरली.
डॉक्टर ने बोला है ये कभी स्टॉप नहीं करना है.
हाँ, it is.
जब तक जिंदगी रहेगी तब तक खाके जाएगा, नहीं तो अब ऐसी है कि हो जाएगा.
It is actually for Parkinsonism, but they are giving for neurological pain. See, think then what sort of destruction they are doing on the system. Now he is addictive of these medicines. So very
right. Addict हो गया.
Very carefully we have to reduce the medicines. Very careful. So please continue and do the operation of the liver also and kidney meridian also, so that we can support his body. Then slowly we will start the reduction.
Kidney organ or liver organ?
हाँ.
Whatever the issue is, liver meridian and kidney meridian operation order will help, na?
Yes. That will help.
Sir, meridian पर करो ना, organ पर करो.
Meridian will give better result. Start with organ, then go to the meridian. First start with the organ.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can I have
This is to help for the excess of medicine that he's taking?
Yes.
So kidney meridian and liver meridian both will.
Whatever the toxin, the medicines we are taking, that liver and kidney is going to take care of it.
Right, sir.
So to support the body for extra medicines, the side effect of extra medicine, we need to help the liver and kidney. So that will help.
Sir?
Yes.
How can we go for cerebral ataxia? Treatment in the cerebrum?
Cerebral ataxia. So there is what is the MRI report? We have to check.
Sir, tremors in the hand when holding something.
No. There is atrophic changes in the brain.
I'm not very sure. He's just told me that tremors in the hands when holding something.
And any problem in the balance, walking?
No, nothing else.
Only tremor.
Yeah.
So what is the medical diagnosis? Is it ataxia, cerebral ataxia, or just tremor?
Hereditary cerebral ataxia.
Oh, so right now this is just the initial starting of this.
Hanji.
Okay. So you can if it is just the starting, then you can start with the sedation of our wind and our coldness from the constitution, and just increase the blood flow, blood circulation to the brain meridian. And just see what happens. But actually for this ataxia, there we have some advanced treatment. And in dopamine we need to tonify. Okay, so for that you need advanced classification of endocrine system and immune system. Generally it is maybe the problem of lack of dopamine.
Okay, sir.
Sir, actually, I'm also having a patient who is having the same problem, and they are saying this is essential tremor. The hands are shaking and little bit the feet.
So
उसका आंटी का भी है, so this is sort of some hereditary or like that actually.
So for neurological conditioning, we need to work on dopamine, and sometime in the adrenal glands also. Okay. Do you have classification, GABA-G, of this dopamine and nervous system now in advanced triaging?
Yes, sir.
So we need to work on dopamine and sometime on pineal gland, hypothalamus.
Sir, we are not audible.
Yeah, so I think it has gone from sir's side.
Sir, okay.
Sorry, there was network issues.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in 6 key renting in nervous system, we don't have such protocol.
No. Only for the balance we have. That
is under coldness, no, sir, gravity.
No. That is will come under coldness of the psycho-emotion.
Psycho-emotion, right.
Coldness of the psycho-emotion. Okay. Coldness of the hotness of hotness. Okay. But for dopamine and all, we don't have this. For this in triaging, Dr. Natalia has given a lot of classification, and now GABA-G is working on it. I have not started working on it. After the pathophysiology, I will look after all these things.
Okay, sir. Okay.
GABA-G is right now working on all these higher informations.
Okay, sir.
So if required, you can take the help of GABA-G, but actually we need the consciousness. That's why I want you people to develop the knowledge of this pathophysiology so you can work on this dopamine and all these things. The Trisulji has asked some question in the chat box.
So I have a question.
Yeah. Yes, Mamta ji.
Yes. So uterus polyp ka hai, where the doctor said that it can get into cancerous if it is not treated within like 15 to 20 days. And this lady, she's overweight, maybe 106 kgs. Pehle first pregnancy के time पे she had fibroids, but during the pregnancy the fibroids got cleared. और उसके बाद now when I got it checked, she's even diabetic, hypertensive as well.
Okay.
So for the polyp thing, हम क्या कर सकते हैं?
How can they say that within 15 days it will turn into cancerous?
हाँ, क्योंकि डॉक्टर तो kind of they had warned her that if you don't come within 15 days and if you come after that, तो हम आपका केस देखेंगे ही नहीं, and they asked you to go for biopsy immediately or removal of uterus as soon as possible.
What is the age?
She is 38, sir.
At this age, they are thinking for removing the uterus.
हाँ, sir.
Sir, I will share one such instance. A mother of my friend, she had gone to some hospital in Delhi. So they took her. She says, "I'm having some breathing issue." They did her this heart test, echo test, etc. They told her your coronary arteries are blocked more than 94-95%, and we are wondering how you are standing here. You can collapse anytime. You can die anytime. We immediately require angiography and angioplasty. So she was very scared and upset and trembling. So she came out of the room and she just called me because her son was was at the time out of India. I told her, "You tell the doctor, I've got 6,000 rupees in my account. I can pay you all the 6,000 rupees. Do whatever you want to do, angiography, whatever you are saying. Until my son is out of country, he will come after a month or so." So she went inside and said the same thing. Doctor said, it's not a charitable hospital. There is an expenditure of 1.75 lakhs. So where's your son? He says, out of country. Bola, you raise the money. Bola, I don't have money right now. Bola, when he will come? He says she will come after 1 month. Then he says, when he comes, then you raise the money and then you come. Earlier he was saying that you may not reach home back safe and you may not how you are standing. Now he's saying that you arrange the money and then you come after 1 month. Medical doctors these days have got financial targets to achieve.
Yes.
So they will scare a patient to the extent of anything and just to extort the money.
Yes. So you can start.
Sir, I totally agree on this.
Yes.
I have gone through this at my mother's time. I'm talking 20 years back, sir. The same funda they used that time also. मतलब वो इतना fear कर देते हैं ना कि, and sir, especially when it comes to your parents, they play with our emotions.
Yes.
No, it's really very sad. It's very sad.
Yes. So doctors and astrologers are playing with our emotions.
Very true, sir. Very true.
So Mamta ji, you can start your treatment for in advanced triagin. I forgot to send you the some this formula for this fibroid and polyps. I will share with you tonight. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So for in advanced triagin, you can work on it, and you can start with the 6 constitution and everything what you know, and I think it will help. It will help. No need to worry.
Yes, sir.
And before taking such cases, get the proper blood test done, the CBC, liver function test, and all. So if there is strong issues, some serious issues, then it will reflect in the CBC, the hemoglobin level and total blood count and all.
CBC normal है, sir.
So then
it's completely, absolutely normal.
And is ESR, everything is normal?
Yes, sir.
Is there nothing to worry? Nothing to worry. You can take that.
Diagnosed with the diabetic thing would be 6.4 HbA1c. Not
nothing
very high
to, nothing to worry. Nothing to. You can start your treatment. You can, let's see what happens.
Yes.
And I think it will be cured. It will be cured.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, there's some question in the chat box. Nikat ji has asked if the problem is one side of body, we can take meridian of that side and do to add chakra. Do you have to use frontal spin of that side? Yes, for one side problem, we can use frontal spin of that side. We can use. And Trishul ji, his question is always very interesting. He wants to know about the journey of energy. I can see only what I see or explained by science. Energy can travel faster than light, but there is only darkness, what I am seeing. Yeah. A very tough question to explain. See, the journey of energy is, if I talk about from the Trajan point of view, so it started with the opening of the window by the Newton. Okay, and when the Newton had opened the window, and that had opened the window for this wonder world, and then hetero came out, and the journey started. But this is all metaphysics. If you try to find the answer from the science, they talk about physics, so you'll not be able to get the answer from the physics. See, what you're trying to find out in physics, they don't believe what they can't see, okay? But sometimes what we are seeing, that is also false, okay? That is also sometimes false. So don't try to get the answer from science. We are talking about metaphysics, okay? See, for example, what you are seeing the stars, they might be not, they might not exist in this world right now. But right now we can see some stars, because that light has started to travel, that reach right now, but that star has maybe not existing in the universe. So what you are seeing is not the reality. Okay, so what professor has explained, that is the beyond science, I can say, beyond science. So that's why I always tell you to concentrate on this, the five element theory and the theory of triorigin. This is the fundamental theory, I can say. Don't try to get the answer from science. So what they are telling right now, that might be changed. Okay, so earlier they used to say that sun is moving around the earth, but right now they say no, that was wrong. The earth is moving around the sun. When Galileo said this, people used to hit him through the stone. They were thinking that he is mad. He's saying rubbish and all. So my advice is, don't try to understand this world through the eye of scientists, the physicians, physicists. Try to see from the metaphysics. This is my advice. And the metaphysics, then spiritual world is totally different. If I will tell you this journey of science, the journey of light through the metaphysics, you will not believe. You will not believe right now.
Sir, but we will glad to listen you.
That is different topic. See, that's why I am talking about from the triorigin, the starting of world from the triorigin. See, scientists know from Big Bang, but professor has told beyond Big Bang. The professor has told there was 2 Big Bangs, but now scientists are saying that there was series of Big Bang. Even Sadhguru has told that there was 84 Big Bangs, the series of Big Bang. So the science is beyond this. The metaphysics is beyond this. So and I will tell you that there is science, there is theory beyond I can say the triorigin. Beyond the triorigin, but that is a different topic. Someday we will talk about that. That is the creation of universe.
So one question. So yes. Like when we take the history, sometimes like we ask a person, do you laugh loudly? But due to situations, generally they don't laugh. Initially, like in Ayurveda, we take Prakriti and Vikriti. When we are taking the history, so we are talking about their at present condition. So we will take it as a normal, or like some confusion.
We will take the present condition.
That we will take it as their Prakriti.
Yes, present Prakriti.
That is that we need to treat.
Yes. Based on that, we need to find the constitution. Yeah. And based on the symptoms, we will find the dominant energy.
So once again, just
dominant energy means when we are looking to the symptoms, what is their problem, suffering.
Yeah.
So from there, we try to understand what is the dominant energy, whether they are suffering from the dryness, coldness, dryness. That is the dominant energy. Okay. From the history, we can come to the conclusion that this is their dominant energy.
Okay.
And from the emotional history, we try to find the constitution.
Yeah.
Okay.
But constitution can be due to present situation also. No, that is not actually with which they are born.
No. Present situation. You bond with certain energy.
Yeah. That is not their prakriti, na?
No. Yeah. No. That a present energy. Based on the present. Yeah,
present constitution is also present, na?
Yes, present energy.
Present, na? And their energy is also accordingly. So
yes.
Basically we are treating their vikriti.
Yes.
It's not by default, like initially a person laughs loudly, but due to some trauma or they forget how to laugh. Or initially a jolly boy, baby. And so we take it the present, like what we are asking for the right now, near future.
Yes.
Yes.
So
that is okay.
So because of some trauma, some incidents, their energy can change.
So one question regarding this only. So at certain age, like if we say heat age, all children will laugh. Only very rarely we see that the children don't laugh. So that certain age we know they are laughing. But if we say at some 50 plus or 60 plus, hardly we'll find people who will really laugh. So this is the natural process of the energies.
Yeah, normally this is the as per the age, energy goes as per the age. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
But you will find people who are still learning at the age of 70.
Yes, sir. So but that are exceptional, then we don't take it as general.
No, in general, but in general means, see, at the dryness age, dryness will be more. But
yes, sir.
If it is in the margin of norm, then they will have enough heat energy also.
Right.
But if the dryness energy goes beyond the margin of norm, then the normal heat energy may reduce. So then they will not laugh as a normal person. There will be more sadness in them.
Yes, sir. So what I have seen in so many years, my experience, like because I don't know, fortunately or unfortunately, my patients 80 to 90% have all been senior citizens, and almost all of them are with the sadness energy when they come. So maybe because of that, I first give emotional treatment with Sujok Meridian, sir, Sujoki, with colors. I tonify joy, sedate sadness. At that moment only, sir, the face appearance changes at instant, sir.
Yes.
And then I start working on the problem.
Yes.
So it's my observation that very rarely we find, like, the seniors people actually they are with the smiling state.
Yes. See, now because of certain situation nowadays, now they are suffering from this kind of issues.
So they keep comparing their life, the present life, with the past life. That is what has come into my observation, and that is the cause of sadness.
Yes. Maybe kids are not giving time. They are sad because of a lot of reasons nowadays.
Yes, non-acceptance.
Yes.
And at this age, I feel they are very overburdened. The emotion.
Yes, sometimes. So nowadays, sadness is a common emotion.
Yes, sir. This is my observation. Like.
Yes.
So now, when a client comes to my clinic, normally we smile with everyone. Yes. So most of them smile back.
Yes.
So like if we keep on smiling with them, they smile back. So how can we know whether they smile always or they are smiling only with us?
Sometimes people don't respond with a smile also.
Everybody.
So can I share this one my observation? Sir, the lips will show it. Sir, if the lips are in the homo position, because once they are normal, you are not smiling, your lips will come in the homo form, like, the corners will come down.
Yes.
So that way we can see if there's a natural smile or they are just smiling in response.
No. Now there is one Minku sir used to share one of his experience. He was walking in Moscow and he was smiling, and people were asking why you were smiling.
Okay. Yes, so that is again exceptional.
So in India,
yes, sir.
In India, Sri Lanka, people respond with a smile. Okay.
Yes, India, we keep smiling. We are smilers actually.
Yeah. So for India, Sri Lanka, we have a lot of common culture. We people respond with a smile. So that means there is some joy in them. Then only they will respond with a smile. But if the heat is very less, then sometimes they will not respond with a smile.
Not only outside country, in India also, sir. I have experience in the temple. If you close your eyes, why are you closing your eyes? I have heard from certain people.
Sorry, your sound is not clear. Sorry.
I think today the network is lot of. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, but there is some background noise.
One second, let me switch off fan. Right now?
Yes, better.
Okay, switch off the fan. Yeah, not only outside countries, but in India also, I have experience in the temple. Once I closed my eyes, and certain person came to me and he scolded, "Why are you closing your eyes? Open your eyes." In the temple, so in India, it happens.
So maybe, sir, Thendu sir, it is response of your energy, your smiling energy. People are smiling, okay, but we need to absorb.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
त्रिशूल जी, आप कुछ पूछ रहे थे?
Sir, may I suggest just a little, my suggestion. Trishul ji is always saying he's in the dark. And according to trials and everything came out of dark. So you should wait for wind to come out from the darkness.
Good. He will come out. And he is realizing slowly and gradually. Once he didn't believe on soul, but right now he's thinking of energy. He's not giving the name soul.
Sir, even creator took a lot of time to make all this. So I think he will get it. He will definitely get something out of that darkness.
Yes. He will get it.
Mind is conditioned so much by the present scenario that it is difficult for some people to.
It is not clear, but it is good not to believe in anything first. Get the logical answer. I was also like this. Don't worry, Trishulji. Okay.
Sir, I'm happy to share that people are accepting Sujok now. During this period of COVID.
Yes.
They send compliments. I mean, you are a magician. You are the best doctor.
Yeah, wonderful.
So these comments are coming. So Sujok is getting.
Yes.
Sujok is entering the hearts of people.
Yes.
People are believing that it can do wonders.
Yes.
Sir, regarding one doubt, sir.
Testimonials are being shared. It is easy to convince people of all of them to people I can.
Sound is breaking. Rupali ji, your sound is breaking. People are not unable to hear you.
Testimonials are very nice.
Yes.
People that this is happening.
Yeah, we need to take testimonials. We need to share testimonials so that people should know the power of Sujok.
I've been sharing these links with them, and people are asking about it now.
Yes. Lot of still I have to prepare a blog on diabetes type 1, and there are few cases still pending to be published. So we will publish more case history, and I will ask all of you to make case history from your patients so that we can publish and we can make them people aware that this is the power of Sujok.
Sir, one question is there. Sir, menopause is becoming a very big problem. It's not coming out naturally, but the emotion level is going with a very hazard in this situation. Say for 6 months, 1 year, 2 years also, the person would understand. It's a lady problem. The person would understand what is going on. The irritation level is going on. So, can you please give something about menopause, how to handle it. With Sujok, it's good, but emotionally also, or what can we do for a good menopause so that hormones are on level and the life becomes
easy.
Life becomes easy a little because it's very irritating. It's depressing also sometimes. It's like someone is crying and crying sometimes and don't know.
See, for proper menopause, your liver should be healthy, your endocrine should be healthy, okay? And if your liver...
With 60, how to go with endocrine?
See, with 6-key, we need to... See, sometimes triogen has upper hand on 6-key because we need to set everything in operation order. But with 6-key, we cannot set it. With 6-key, we have to work on this specific energy. And to work on specific energy, we need a lot of details. Okay. See, if you want to harmonize the pituitary gland, you can easily harmonize with the triogen. Easily you can harmonize the liver organ. But if you want to treat through 6-key, then it will be very difficult. We have to work on a specific energy. Otherwise, you can harmonize through correspondence system. Put perpendicular needle on liver, adrenal glands, pituitary, pineal. It will be very smooth journey.
The colors or seed, what will be the better option?
See, best is putting the needle. Perpendicular needling on these correspondence organs, and in the night you can apply seeds.
At night, if you apply a full chain of your foot brain meridian, it is very effective.
Yes.
A chain of methi.
Pardon? Foot, brain meridian.
Very effective for harmonizing your energies for hormones.
It will be very good if you can share some picture on the group, if you have.
Yes, I'll make it and send it.
No, anyone. Thank you so much. So, but sir, menopause is such a serious issue, and in India, no one takes it so seriously because we don't talk about that. So, I think we should come up with this issue also.
See, in Sujok, we have a lot of scope. We can work on every individual case study. Okay.
Yes,
sir. But we need to work.
So basically, sir, in Sujok, like which I am feeling, like we just start doing a lots of big, rather than going into the deep, understanding all the subject. Just with 1 or 2 steps, we think we became the master. So I think is the like.
Yes. This is very complete science, and now with the knowledge of advanced triogen, it is going beyond, I can say, beyond modern science.
हिम्मत नहीं पड़ती है अभी, मुझे लगता है कि अभी थोड़ा सा और देख लूं, फिर सोचो थोड़ा नहीं तो मैं एवरीडे आई थिंक आई डू 50-60 पेशेंट्स एक्यूपंक्चर का. अभी मैं कुछ नहीं करती, जस्ट जो मेरे पास मेडिसिन के लिए पेशेंट बैठता है, थोड़ा सा जो मैंने कागजी सर से कॉरेस्पॉन्ड करा वो थोड़ा सा दे दिया एंड पैसे ही भेज देती हूँ. थोड़ा मुझे लगता है थोड़ा और जब तक पूरा नहीं समझो.
The beauty of Sujok is if you have learned correspondence, just start with the correspondence treatment.
सर बस correspondence से I just give लगाया सीड लगाया, फटाफट उनको लगता है कुछ हो गया फटाफट.
No, if you put needle on the correspondence organ point, you will get miraculous result in acute conditions.
मुझे needle लगाने में डर नहीं लगता, मुझे I can मतलब
put the needle.
मुझे लगता है कि पूरा सब्जेक्ट अंडरस्टैंड करूं and
no issue. Just put needles. Do acupuncture on the correspondence right now.
Okay.
You will get wonderful results.
Okay. जैसे liver है तो total liver के एक ही point पे without understanding कि ये क्या है.
You just find the painful point and put the needle.
Okay.
And take the history. Take the history. Try to find the constitution, and till that time you just give the acupuncture needling, Sujok needling on the correspondence point.
Okay.
You'll be surprised to see the result.
Okay.
Sir, how long can
नीडल कितनी देर रखना है सर?
20 minutes to 30 minutes.
20 to 30 minutes.
Minimum 20 minutes, maximum 40 minutes. You can keep for 30 minutes.
Okay. तो सर एक क्वेश्चन और था मेरा, जैसे आज से मतलब मुझे काम करते हुए आई थिंक 25-27 साल हो गए होंगे, आज से 10-12 साल पहले तक जो मेरे पास पीसीओडी के केसेस आते थे वो मैं मेडिसिन देती थी, रिकवर हो जाते थे। अभी मैं देख रही हूँ पिछले 2-3 साल से हम कितनी भी कोशिश करें पीसीओडी में वो रिजल्ट नहीं मिलता। क्या ये इमोशनल फैक्टर एक है? मुझे लगता है शायद इमोशनल है या क्या है, आई डोंट नो। मेडिसिन सेम है, सब कुछ सेम है, बट
इमोशंस के साथ फूड,
मतलब अभी पीसीओडी को ट्रीट करना बहुत टफ होता जा रहा है।
क्योंकि फूड एंड लाइफस्टाइल हैज चेंज। व्हाट इट वाज 10-20 years back, people right now, people are the sleep has disturbed. They are sleeping late night, so their endocrine system is at risk. And right now the food habits have been totally changed.
सर उसमें तो फिर हम कितनी भी कोशिश कर ले फिर वो रिजल्ट नहीं मिलता।
इसीलिए रिजल्ट नहीं मिला। We need to educate them about the right food and right lifestyle. Because the cause right now, the cause is totally different. What was the cause 10 years back, 20 years back? Earlier we were not having Facebook and this WhatsApp. We were having nothing to wake up in the night. Now we can wake throughout the night. We can wake up.
Yes, mobile 3G 4G is the main reason, na sir?
Yes. This radiations.
Sir, radio भी बंद हो जाता था 11 बजे.
Yes. अभी तो unlimited.
तो परपेंडिकुलर नीडल करस्पॉन्डेंस में ग्रेविटी इंसर्टर से डालते हैं सर आप?
मैं नहीं डालता।
मुझे हाथ से नीडल लगाने की आदत है।
हाथ से नहीं लगाना है।
Sir, corresponder with the gravity inserter.
With the gravity inserter, not 6 key inserter, gravity inserter. You have to put the correspondence needling with the gravity inserter only.
सर एक डाउट है
सर, वन क्वेश्चन
सर, चाइनीज मेडिसिन में वो लोग इतना बड़ा नीडल डालते हैं इतना आसानी से, कैसा सर?
वैसे मैं बता सकती हूँ।
Sir, that is deep muscles. वो तो muscles है ना sir, deep है इसलिए।
See, the sense is the painful sensation is on the skin level only. Okay, you have to learn the art of needling so fast that they should not feel the pain. Okay, so that we have done practice, lot of practice. So
शाटिका की नाव को जब इतनी 3 इंच लंबी निडल से वो करते हैं तो चला ही जाता है।
Chibian. This much needle. So we in acupuncture we used to pass only when we can put the needle on ourselves only.
फर्स्ट निडल मैंने अपने पे ही लगा के 2 महीने पहले खुद पे लगाया।
Yes.
क्या होता है?
I have a question, sir.
Jessie just written, they take milk, which is a big reason for PCOD. Yes, right. And for Rituji, they don't have gravity inserter. Can you put by hand or not? No. Correspondence needling should not be done by hand. It should be only done by gravity inserter. Yes. क्या पूछा?
6 key we will use with hand.
Yeah, 6 key better to use hand. No 6 key inserter. Yes.
सर अभी आपने जो बोला उससे इंसर्टर से एक्यूट कंडीशन में करने के लिए वी आर डूइंग कंसल्टेशन ट्रीटमेंट दो भी फिर भी अगर प्रॉब्लम एग्रेवेट हो रहा है लाइक इन एस्थमा कंडीशन, तो क्या लंग में जाकर डायरेक्टली इंसर्टर से इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं फॉर एक्यूट कंडीशन? एग्रेवेट हो गया, ब्रीदिंग इश्यू है।
See, anytime you can do correspondence needling, but in case of asthma, sometimes there is spasm. Sometimes there is spasm, so that if you are putting, sometime it may aggravate the symptoms, but generally there is no issue. You can put anytime.
So in one hand constitutional treatment and one hand basic correspondence needling I can do at a time?
Yes, you can do. Correspondence needling you can combine anytime.
Correspondence में we will take the basic or like mini or
anywhere painful point, anywhere if you are getting painful point, you can put correspondence needles. Okay. And for acute condition you will get wonderful result. Even for chronic condition, some instant they can feel the instant changes in their body.
So in that also, is there any printing or like first time, or if someone is empty stomach and
yes, there can be vasovagal attack.
There can be. So
yes.
At that time, like say P6 or
yes. So before you should not do even correspondence needling in empty stomach and low blood pressure. So you need to check the blood pressure and all precautions what you used to take during the body acupuncture, you have to take during correspondence needling also.
So I'll share my one experience, not even puncturing, sir. A gentleman around 50 plus, he came around 11:30, 12. So I assumed he had his breakfast and came. I just started some stimulation on kidney, sir, with my fingers. No needles, no seeds, and he was about to collapse.
Yes.
And his wife, all of a sudden, sir, she started yelling at me. ये क्या किया आपने? ऐसे कभी नहीं हुआ. So then I just asked, आप उन्होंने नाश्ता किया था? तो कहते हैं no. मैं बोला बस वो बेहोश हो गए नहीं खा के आए हैं. So it's really difficult. Needling is very far off, sir.
Yes.
So correspondence, sir, one has to be stomach full.
Yes.
खा के आए घर से. Empty stomach तो बहुत गड़बड़ वाली बात है.
सर दिल्ली में इतनी दूर दूर से लोग आते हैं, 1-1.5 घंटा रास्ते में उनका पास हो जाता है पहुंचने में क्लिनिक. So
you just check the blood pressure. If blood pressure is normal, then you can go ahead. If they have low blood pressure, give them something to eat, or give them moxa. Then only do the other treatment.
And the sugar patient also.
Yes.
Yeah, precaution.
Yes.
So one doubt in gravity inserter, when we put the gravity needles through gravity inserter, पूरा complete insertion होने का है ना सर?
No.
और घुमाते भी है ना needle? What is that?
No. Who is basic teacher? They will explain.
Because I wanted to know.
See, first we have to see. When you find a painful point, first find a painful point and check the depth of the painful point.
Okay.
At what depth the crystal is there. Okay. Mm-hmm. And when you press something, then at that point there is no blood flow. Mm-hmm. So if you put the needle in this position, in this condition, there will be no pain. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So when you put the needle through the inserter in this position, we put inserter like this, and then we release the inserter, and the needle will hit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But if it will hit the energy ball, then you will have sharp pain for a fraction of a second.
Okay.
And if it will not hit that energy ball, then it will be painless.
Okay.
It will be painless. And professor used to be very happy when he used to hit the energy ball in one hit. So how can we check that our needle has hit the energy ball? There will be sharp pain, but that pain will be just for a fraction of a second. They will do like this and it's okay. And if the pain is there continuing, then it means it has hit the nerve. So at that time, you may need to remove the needle. Otherwise, if you fail to hit the ball, leave that needle, put another needle.
Okay.
Put another needle.
5 needle at a time, 4-5 needle at a time.
Yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unless you hit the ball, you can try again and again. But if you check in a proper way, the depth and everything, you can realize what is the depth and angle and everything, and you put the needle in first sitting or 1 or 2 needle, you can hit the ball.
So can we circle when we find the painful point?
With probe, you can stimulate first, but not with the correspondence needle. What we used to do in the body acupuncture, stimulation and all Tai Chi, we used to get. This we are not doing in the correspondence needling. Just hit the ball and leave it. Otherwise, it will be very painful.
No, sir. If the area is big and we want to find out the painful point, there are many painful points.
So you can put 2, 3 needles, no issues.
But we need to be precise. Where is the point?
Yes.
So how to do that? Can we circle with the black pen like that? Where is the painful point?
You can circle.
So that inside the circle only.
Yeah, but when you press with the probe, there will be mark.
When we press with the probe, there is a mark. So we can get this is the point.
Yes, there is a mark. Then put the needle, insert it.
Okay. After a long time, sir. I'm asking what correspondence. I'm not practicing.
No problem, no problem, no problem.
I need to practice.
Yeah, we need to practice. We need to practice.
Yes, thank you.
Anything else?
Sir.
Yes.
आहावेंट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में गॉल ब्लाডार स्टोन तो সাপোর্টিং ট্রিটমেন্ট কি করা যাবে?
সাপোর্টিং ট্রিটমেন্ট বলতে মানে ব্রাঞ্চ ট্রিটমেন্ট করতে চান নাকি ট্রায়োজিন?
ট্রায়োজিন বা ব্রাঞ্চ
ট্রায়োজিন আপনি গল ব্লাডার হোমো রেন্ট করবেন অ্যাজ এ স্টোন and do anti-creation.
अच्छा
all-sedate in anti-creation order.
और ब्रांच
dryness coldness sedation.
dryness coldness sedation. अच्छा
chakra meridian both.
আচ্ছা থ্যাংক ইউ
সবাই এক জায়গায় আছেন?
আমি আর লক্ষ্মীনারায়ণ এক জায়গায় আছি।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, গুড 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 গুড। They are also doing a very good job in a remote area of West Bengal. They are giving wonderful results.
স্যার কিছু আছে এই রিসেন্ট কিছু কেস রিপোর্ট তৈরি করেছে,
ভালো শেয়ার করুন, পাবলিশ করে দেবো।
খুব দারুণ আছে। মানে গত মাসে একটা ছিল মানে লেফট সাইড লেফট ক্যারাইটাল লোবে 1.6 ব্রেন হ্যামারেজ ছিল। এমআরআই রিপোর্ট আফটার ট্রিটমেন্ট 1 পয়েন্ট দেখেছি ওরা। এমআরআই রিপোর্ট আমি রিপোর্টটা পাঠাবো। আমরা কনস্টিটিউশন বার করেছিলাম, আহাওয়েন কনস্টিটিউশন ছিল ব্রাঞ্চে। ও কথা বলতে পারছিল না যখন আমরা ট্রিটমেন্ট করি ছিল, এবং ও ওর বাড়ির লোককে ডেকে ও কনস্টিটিউশনটা রেডি করে আমরা ট্রিটমেন্ট দিলাম 2-3টে। ও খেতে পাচ্ছিল না, খাওয়া দাওয়া চালু হলো, ক্যাথিটার গুলো খোলা হলো, এখন চলছে, হাঁটাচলা করছে, হাতে করে খাচ্ছে।
গুড 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 গুড।
কাল গত পরশু পর্যন্ত ওকে 12টা সিটিং দিয়েছি। খুব ভালো রেজাল্ট হয়েছে।
আপনি वीडियो করে পাঠান।
ठीक है, वीडियो
आप लोगों को समझ आया? बाकी लोगों को क्या बोला उन्होंने?
नहीं तो भालो रिजल्ट से सब भालो रिजल्ट से इतना समझ में आया। Good results, the good results. That is what the punch line I got it.
There was a case of cerebral stroke.
But that means he did good job. That's it.
There was a case of brain stroke, hemorrhage, and they find out the constitution. They did the treatment, so he was unable to speak, unable to eat. So right now he is walking, and just after 12 treatment.
Wow sir, congratulations.
Yeah,
sir, बालो रिजल्ट से हमारी तरफ से भी बोल दीजिए।
थैंक यू।
They are doing wonderful job.
सर और एक पेशेंट आया अभी, तो उनका अभी किडनी डायलिसिस चालू है। तो उनका भी ट्रीटमेंट 2 ट्रीटमेंट 2 सेकंड सिटिंग हुआ और कल 3rd सिटिंग होगा। तो उनका भी ट्रीटमेंट करना है। 2 सिटिंग में वो थोड़ा बहुत आराम मिला उनको। हफ्ते में 2 डायलिसिस चल रहा था, अभी फिलहाल 1 डायलिसिस कर रहा है।
गुड गुड गुड।
तो निकला और सेकंड सिटिंग में उनका किडनी ऑपरेशन ऑर्डर किया है हमने। तो बाकी ट्रीटमेंट और कुछ ऐड करना है कि?
आप क्या क्या ट्रीटमेंट कर रहे हो? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कर रहे हो, किडनी ऑपरेशन ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं ना, किडनी ऑर्गन भी ऐड कर दो आप, किडनी ऑर्गन हेटेरोटोनिफिकेशन।
अच्छा ओके। और उसके साथ और कुछ करना है कि?
नहीं अभी इतना, अभी कंटिन्यू करिए, फिर 4-5 सिटिंग के बाद फिर हम लोग देखेंगे।
आज शाम तक उनका रिजल्ट आया कि पूरा दिन ठीक रहता है, वो एनर्जेटिक लगा और शाम को वॉमिटिंग होने लगा।
अच्छा, सो check कीजिए।
So this is a very common this thing in kidney people failure, vomiting sir.
So constitution
imbalance is the cause. Electrolyte imbalance is the cause.
So just continue with the correspondence. जो भी आप ट्रीटमेंट कर रहे हैं उसको कंटिन्यू करिए। अभी 2 सिटिंग हुआ है तो और 2 सिटिंग करिए, फिर देखते हैं।
ओके, थैंक यू सर।
So for today we can conclude.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
It was good discussion.
Yes sir.
Yes sir, very healthy discussion. Thank you so much sir. Smile night.
Smile night.
Thank you sir.
Smile night.
Smile night sir. Thank you so much.
Sir.
Smile night sir.
Smile night.
Thank you sir.
Smile